All right, we need some music. Come on, come on. There we go. We're gonna destroy whoever this Aaron guy is. Intermediate? I don't want the intermediate. Let's just go. My first or what? I played chess as a kid. I know how to do this. Best by test. I'm just gonna copy whatever he does. Show me your success. I don't believe in psychology. I believe in good news. He's trying to psych me out. Like if I go there, his horse is gonna eat me. His horse. His horsey's gonna get me. Ay, 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 ay. Let's just do this. I don't know what I'm doing. I might be a champ though. In another parallel universe. You don't know that. Alright, let's bring up the other horsey. I got my horsies out, man. You better watch it. You can't get me, right? Knocking them off. Pam. Piff. Pa. Look at this. I'm just destroying this guy. Aaron. I was going to say something that rhymes with whatever. Should I just destroy all of his, take all of his guys? I'm going in for the bite. Going in for the kill. Bam. I see. I don't know what you're seeing, man. Just better just cower off a little bit, put my tail between my legs and back off. I'm a little bit afraid. Just a little bit. Okay. Ooh. I got a plan. Oh, he saw I was gonna cut through on the side there, huh? Well, I'll trade a horse for a little bishop. That's a good deal. Then I'll eat his queen. Oh! Still gonna eat your queen or your bishop. You're playing well. Have you been studying Fisher? What's a Fisher game? Fisher Price? I don't even. So if he eats my horse, I'll just eat him with my bishop. That's okay. Hey, I can do the, yeah, what do you call that thing? The switcheroo. Oh, you shouldn't have done that. You shouldn't have done that. That's what I wanted. You know, I'm gonna bring out my homie here. Should I go for the queen? Wait. Ooh, yeah. No, that's not the right square. What am I thinking? I'm gonna bring out my queen. Oh, I can't bring out my queen. Dang it! This guy's in the way. Hold on, I'll have to get this guy out of the way. That's a king, right? Check. He's gonna eat my pawn. What? Oh yeah, because then I can just kill him. Ooh. It's getting vicious here. It is getting vicious. I like that. So I checkmated him. Did I win? Man, that was so stupid. What was I thinking? What was I thinking? Okay, get over there. Do something! I thought I had... Oh, he's not dumb. Alright, so you win some, you lose some. I made a mistake. Run! You know what? Okay, I got him, right? If I bring my rook, this guy. No. I gotta. Oh. Yeah, I got him, right? It's not a check, but I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing! I didn't take the lessons. Well, I'm gonna take out these pawns and I'm just gonna go right. Finish him! Oh. Why would he do that? He must have traded, huh? That's not a very good deal. know what? If he takes him out, I can take him out. I'm more focused on that queen. You know what? I'm gonna do this. You threaten me, I'm gonna threaten you, boy. What's that gonna do? Oh yeah, he wants to take up my... I need that guy there. You know what? I'm gonna take out this rook anyway. Trade him. Take it. Pick one. This is not going as good. This is not going according to plan. What was my plan? I don't even know what my plan was. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. Let's just go over there, see what happens. Just see what happens. I don't know what am I doing? I think I need to talk to the coaches here, man. I'm a little bit scared of that rook. It's getting too close to my stuff. And why would he do that? It's not scary. I'm not scared of that. He just lost. You lose. Check it. So if he kills him, you blah 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 blah. I'm gonna have a heyday. Just gonna eat up all his pieces. Eat them all. Do I want to eat that guy though? Ah, he's fine where he is. Let's see. Oh, he's trying to stop me from checking. I see what's up. I see what's up. Oh, let's threaten his, Oh, wait, I just killed that guy. Dang it. What? Well, that is an indeed strange move. Why didn't you just take out the pawn, man? What is your problem? Okay, well, I need to do something. I'm getting a little bit edgy here. I don't know what to do. Let's just do this. Let's just get out of here. He's threatening me. Why would he do that? That was a bad move, right? Okay, oh, I'm starting not to like this. Should have took up knitting. Yeah, I agree. You should have took up knitting. All right, well, we got to go in for the kill. Let's go finish this guy. Right? Check it. How do I get him? Let's just eat all the pieces while I'm here. Yeah, why would you do that? Why would you do that? I ate all his pieces. Oh, I love beginners. I got him. Checkmate. Next move. Oh, he can't do anything. It's checkmate, homie. Yeah! I beat Aaron the bot. I'm so proud.